right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on this front right wheel, looks amazing. I don't see any curb rash. Here on the paint, you're gonna see little rock chips every once in a while that have been touched up. Just kind of notate a few of them here and there. That looks like a chip on that part. You're gonna have little rock impacts on the side mirror. Overall though, really good condition. That looks nice. Little specks here and there. This paint, the depth is absolutely gorgeous. Getting that right light, you can see the kind of color shifting. The photo bay here does not do this paint justice. It looks really, really good out in natural lighting. Just kind of scanning all these panels. You got PPF here protecting that area. All in great condition. You do have a chip right there, another little spot of some stuff here, if you can see that. Oh, that looks nice. Zero curb rash on that wheel. Those headlights look perfect. Absolutely gorgeous. Now you're gonna see rock chips all peppered throughout this front. Looks like they've all been touched up. There's little specks. Just kind of scanning through that so you can see. I don't see anything larger though than just the rock chips. Those lights look good. That looks nice. Getting down low here. Here on the fender, a couple rock chips here and there. You're going to see a few tiny surface scuffs every once in a while from just everyday washing. That wheel looks good. That lower section's perfect. Little rock impacts. Looks like a little ding of some sort here. There's no PPF here. It looks like it was removed. So if you look above it, you're gonna see more rock impacts. You're gonna see the line where the film was, and this side's a lot cleaner. So I imagine it was removed pretty recent. You do have an imperfection there. Little scuff. Some spots right here that have been touched up. I see these little specks every once in a while. Wheels look amazing. They really, really look good on this car. Here on that tail light, I do see a little moisture in that area. That's all clean though, all perfect there. See a spot in the paint. A couple spots on the bumper. There's a lot of texture right here. If you can see that. A little scratch. Same here, and then there's also a crack right there. Overall, this car is in great condition. All right, checking out the interior. It is absolutely gorgeous. Now you are gonna have some little scuffs up here. A little bit of wear on the handle, and then you can see the wear on this top side. Really cool though. Carpets are in great condition. A couple minor scuffs here. That looks good. And then these seats, look amazing. I don't see any flaws right there. All of that's super clean. Leather's in great condition. Here on the steering wheel, looks absolutely perfect. All of that looks good. All the gauges are clean. Absolutely gorgeous. So you can see that sticker's peeling just a little bit. And here on the upper side of the dash, that looks really good. Looking here in the back seat. Overall in great condition. Here on the front right door panel, upper section looks good. We do have a rip right here. We got some scuffs on the handle. That works good. The rest of that's in great condition. Looking at the jams, they look amazing. Sticker's perfect. Looking at that trim, little scuffs here and there. Looks like these stickers are missing, kind of rubbed off over the years. Looking at that bolster, absolutely perfect. Same with that bottom. I mean, that looks amazing. Beautiful seat. Shifter looks good. Looks like something was mounted there. That looks good. Nice and clean. Wood grain looks amazing. You are going to have some flaws here. Looks nice. The sunroof worked really well. Alright, here on the front, a couple small stains. Got this in here. Overall, the carpets are in amazing condition. Looking at the underhood, looks really good. All of that's very clean. It's in great condition. All right, checking out the engine bay. I'm gonna try to get up close in here. It's gonna be a little dark. Scanning through this. Looks really good. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. I'm in second gear. Steering wheel's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Suspension feels good. Now you're gonna have some creaks and rattles, little things like that. Overall, really, really nice. Car shifts nice and smooth. The clutch feels awesome. Very easy to push in. It's got a nice lightweight feel to it. The steering is really tight, very responsive. Really no complaints with the drivability of the car. It's very, very nice.